Hello, everybody. First and foremost, today I would like to wish everybody, especially in India, West Bengal, particularly, and also my dear friends in Bangladesh, Shubho Vijaya. I'm sure that you all must have had a much better celebration this year compared to the previous year with all the pandemic, lockdown. Oh my goodness me. But anyway, I do hope that you all did celebrate it with certain caution because COVID is not totally gone. Anyway, nonetheless, my friends, today, being still a bit in the festive mood, because with the onset of the Sharad Utsav, that is the Durga Puja festival, it is basically the festive season which carries on with this. Then we have Diwali coming up, and then of course another big celebration in India, and especially in Kolkata, that is Christmas, and then of course New Year's Day. So Durga Puja sets the festive season in the right, what shall I say, mode. Anyway, so being in the festive mode a bit, I would like to begin today for all of you with two little riddles. And I would be very happy if you all do give the answers, all of you who can, in your comment section, along with your sweet comments that you always put. All right. And I will definitely look at all the answers, and I will get back personally to each and everyone, whoever gives a reply to these quizzes. All right. So সকলকে সর্বপ্রথমে আমার শারদ উৎসবের প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা, শুভ বিজয়া দিয়ে শুরু করলাম। পশ্চিম বাংলা, বাংলাদেশ এবং পৃথিবীর অন্যান্য জায়গায় যেখানেই এই উৎসব পালিত হয়, সবাইকে আমার প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা রইল, সবার জন্যই প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা রইল। অলরাইট। এবং আমি আজকে যেহেতু একটি উৎসবের মেজাজে এখনো আছি আমরা সবাই, আজকে আমি শুরু করছি একটি দুটি ছোট্ট ঠিক কুইজ না, রিডল বা ধাঁধা দিয়ে। অলরাইট, পাজল। ওকে, number one, please tell me, it's a word, okay, an English word written in English alphabet, and you'll have to tell me what it is. It helps your English thinking as well. Okay? Take one letter away, and I am above your head. Take one letter away, and I'm above your head. Take away two, and I'm invisible. Can't be seen. Take away two, and I'm invisible. My goodness me, is this a ghost? Anyway, and take away nothing or none, I'm under you. I'm under you. What am I? You got to tell me this word. What am I? What is this word? Second one, what four-letter word? Now mind you, it's a parliamentary decent four-letter word, okay? Can be written forward, backward, upside down, and still can be read and have the correct meaning left to right. Find out that word. All right? Okay. Now, getting down to the task. Today, I think we are going to have a look at certain little birds. Why I just thought of birds is that, despite this lockdown and pandemic, there's only been one indirect benefit, that is the environment. It has improved the environment to a great extent, in the sense I'm not talking about the countryside or the villages or small towns, but after years and years, I see a lot of birds in the cities also. Like those who have been living in Kolkata, Mumbai, Dhaka, Chennai, Patna, you'll see that for the first time again you'll see several birds which we may not have seen for maybe 10, 15 years or more. So anyway, এই লকডাউন প্যান্ডেমিকের দৌলতে একটি জিনিসই মনে হয় ভালো হয়েছে, সেটা হলো পরিবেশ কিছুটা ভালো হয়েছে, যার দৌলতে আমরা আজকাল আবার অনেক রকম পাখি দেখতে পাচ্ছি এদিক ওদিকে, স্পেশালি বড় শহরে। এবং আমি আজকে এই পাখির নামগুলো বলবো বাংলাতে বা হিন্দিতে, এবং ইংলিশে এই পাখিগুলোকে কি বলা হয়, ঠিক আছে? হ্যাঁ, আমরা সকলেই হয়তো জানি যে এই পাখিকে ইংলিশে এটা বলা হয়, স্বাভাবিক, হয়তো জানতে পারি, ঠিক। কিন্তু যেটা বিশেষ প্রয়োজন হলো ঠিক উচ্চারণ করা, ঠিকভাবে জানা। সবসময় তো আর শব্দকোষ বা গুগল খুলে দেখতে পারবো না, কোনো জায়গায় কথা বলছি কারোর সাথে বা মিটিং আছি, পাখি নামে এখন কি উচ্চারণটা কি আমি কি গুগল খুলে দেখবো? দ্যাট উইল বিকাম লাইক আ জোক। Can't do that all the time. All right, so we are going to talk about these birds. All right, simple things, but the right way to pronounce them as well. Okay, so here we go. Number one, favorite in the city especially, very common, cock. Most of us know. Crow, ঠিক আছে? Cock, Hindi mein kawa, and in English it is crow. Simple. Full of them in cities. You get them less in villages because wherever there are more garbage you get them. Number two, ওরই cousin, তার কাক, খুব কম দেখা যায় শহরে। Just জানিয়ে রাখছি, not necessary to know, but as I say, a lot of information is good to know. If you go to London, you won't see cock, but you'll see a lot of dar cock. A dar cock garbage kind of. So in London, you hardly get any refuse of garbage. That's why you will hardly find any crow there. Anyway, dar cock. All right. If I'm not mistaken, in Hindi, I think it may be called kala kawa. There's a big one and jet black, very black. That is called in English raven. That's why, especially girls or ladies who have nice black hair, if you recall, they're referred to as raven-haired beauty. R-A-V-E-N, raven, raven. Raven-haired beauty, kuch kuche kalo kesh, chub. All right, so raven is dark cock. Okay, now we come to number three, something we see quite often everywhere. In Bangla it is called paira, Hindi kabuttar. So in English, please note, it's known as pigeon. It is pigeon, and please pronounce it the correct way, P-I-G-E-O-N, P-I-G-E-O-N. A lot of people pronounce it as pigeon. So it is not pigeon like a legion, it is pigeon. Okay, so you got that, pigeon. Now we come to another bird which is, I'm very fond of it. You see it not very often. It's like a relative of the pigeon. It is called ghugu. So ghugu is dove. Do remember that, D-O-V-E, like the Dove shampoo. Dove, dove is ghugu, D-O-V-E. Okay, so that's that. And the fifth and final for the birds, we have what is called kokil, kokil dake, in Hindi koel. So that is cuckoo, C-U-K, or rather C-U-C-K-O-O, C-U-C-K-O-O, cuckoo bird. Okay, so there you are. We got the names of all these birds. Do try to remember them. the Bengali, the Hindi, as well as the English versions of it with the right pronunciation. So thank you very much. It was nice meeting you all after this festive season. And if you do have the answers to those riddles, please put them in your comments box along with your very sweet comments. And in a day or two, I'll be, not in a day, but within 2 days, I'll be back this time with a whole session on a large number of words with the correct pronunciations. People keep making mistakes in the way you pronounce them. The correct accent for these words. Okay? That is very important. Because please do remember, in today's world, whatever subject you're studying in or doing whatever it is, two things are very essential for you to succeed in your own business, or if you're going to work in any good corporate company or multinational. That is your basic computer knowledge and your command over communication skills in English, which is the international business language. Till then, take care.